Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Did you catch Taryn's fascinating breakdown on how a car engine works last week? If not, rev your engines and hit play. It's crucial knowledge for every driver, from what powers your ride to what keeps it cool. This week, we're diving into a common AC problem that can leave you sweating. Ever parked your car on a hot day, turned off your engine, and then noticed a puddle forming underneath? Your first thought might be,
my car's AC, it's leaking.
Today, we're clearing up the confusion around these mysterious drips.
So let's start with the basics. I often see water dripping under my car when the AC is on. Is that normal or do I have a problem?
You're not alone. Many drivers ask us the same question. And for most cases, the good news is it's most likely condensation and completely normal. Think of it like a cold glass of iced tea sweating on a hot day. Your car's AC evaporator coil gets cold. As warm, humid air passes over it, moisture condenses into clear water. This water then simply drips out through a small drain hose located under your car, usually from the middle or passenger side. It's perfectly safe and is a sign that your AC is working as it should.
Okay, that's a relief. But what if it's not clear water or I'm seeing other signs? When is a car AC leak not normal? And what should I look for?
Excellent question. While clear water is typically fine, other types of leaks or specific symptoms absolutely signal a more serious automotive AC problem. You need to know the difference. Here are key warning signs to watch out for. AC blowing warm air. This is a classic sign of a refrigerant leak. Your system is low on the gas that makes cold air. Oily residue. If you see a slightly oily film where fluid has dripped, it often points to a refrigerant issue, as a refrigerant usually contains lubricant. Sweet or chemical smell. A sweet or chemical smell inside or outside your car can be subtle, but it might signify refrigerant escaping. Water inside your car. If you find water pooling on your passenger or driver floorboard, that's usually a clogged AC drain hose causing condensation to back up into the cabin. Hissing sounds. A subtle hiss from under the hood could indicate refrigerant escaping under pressure from a crack or loose connection.
So if I'm seeing those bad signs, what's typically causing the leak? What are the common culprits?
There are a few main reasons, and our certified technicians at Myles investigate all of them carefully. First, that clogged AC drain hose we mentioned. The small tube meant to drain condensation gets blocked by debris or mold. Water then overflows into your cabin, often causing a musty smell. It's a common issue and usually a straightforward fix. Second, and often more serious, are refrigerant leaks. Your AC system is a sealed, pressurized loop. Leaks can occur from worn hoses and seals. Over time, rubber components and O-rings can crack or degrade. Compressor failure. The heart of your AC system. Its internal seals can wear down. Condenser damage. Located at the front of your car, it can be punctured by road debris. Evaporator leaks. This coil deep inside your dashboard can develop pinhole leaks. These leaks cause your AC to blow warm air and can lead to expensive AC compressor damage if ignored. Finally, sometimes what seems like an AC leak is actually another fluid entirely. Pay attention to color, smell, and location. Engine coolant, often green, pink, or orange with a sweet smell. Engine oil, dark brown or black, very oily. Brake fluid, clear or yellowish, slippery and usually near wheels. Power steering fluid, reddish or brown and oily.
That's a lot of possibilities. Why is it so important for me to get it checked right away if I suspect a bad leak? Can I wait?
Don't wait. Ignoring any leak that isn't clear condensation can lead to much bigger problems. Running your AC low on refrigerant can starve the AC compressor of lubrication, causing it to seize up. A clogged drain hose can lead to significant mold growth inside your dashboard, causing foul odors and potential health risks. Addressing minor AC system issues early is key to extending your vehicle's life and saving you money.
So if I have an AC leak or any of these other types of issues, how can Myles Auto Care and Transmissions help me?
That's where we come in. At Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, our certified technicians use advanced diagnostic tools, including UV dye, to accurately pinpoint the exact source of your AC problem. We provide expert AC repair and ensure your car's cooling system works efficiently, getting you back to comfortable, worry-free driving. Whether it's a simple drain clearing, a refrigerant recharge, or a more complex compressor replacement, we have the expertise to get your system working perfectly. We're your trusted experts for all engine repair, transmission service, brake service, and general automotive maintenance in Berks County, PA. Don't let a mystery leak leave you sweating. Visit us today for our reliable service and honest assessments. Find your nearest location in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing, PA. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.